Good morning. I'm at the side entrance to Botanic Gardens. Botanic Gardens are fabulous. And there's the Ulster Museum, that grey concrete building, and there's the signboards or signs, Tropical Ravine, and I'm up to give you an update on how the Tropical Ravine is getting on. It looks as if it's nearly ready for opening. Well, the outside of it is anyway. They've replaced all the glass above it, and a lot of the brickwork has been redone. And put new pathways in, and this is going to be a major draw for tourists, but I'm not sure quite when it's going to open. I see foliage and whatnot in it. It looks quite steamy in there. And millions have been spent refurbishing this. This is the famous Palm House, and I have done videos on it before, so I'm just swinging back. To the Tropical Ravine. Looking good. I was talking to the lads there, and they are horticulturalists and botanists, and they know what they're talking about. And they're only young fellas, and they told me that this place, the refurbishment has cost nearly £4 million, and it's been funded by the lottery, and what else did they tell me? They told me that there's some Amazonian water plant. This is the only place in the world that you're going to see this or something. So 11th of April they hope to get this up and running again, and the opening will be on the 11th of April. And I'll be down. I'm not coming the 11th of April because they wouldn't want me around the place, but I'll be down soon after doing and it's free to come in. Brilliant stuff. And then there's all sorts of other stuff in the gardens here that you might want to see. The herbaceous borders and all the rest of it, and there's a few bits and pieces of sculptures and all sorts. Brilliant place to come and chill. Stranmillis Road, near Queens.